Hi everyone. I'm so excited. Yeah. This is me, Rimla. First day of junior year. I've been meaning to do this since freshman. I really wanted to document my life. I am risking my phone with this stupid DIY tripod. I am just excited to take you guys on this journey. It's been 2 years already. It's so hard to, digest this. I'm gonna take you guys along on today's journey. Oh, I forgot to say welcome back to my channel. So there can be two tones that I can keep. It can be either a calming sort of video or it can be like very chaotic. This is my outfit, can you imagine? It's kind of underdressed, at least for me. I saw this on Pinterest, but it does not look like hers at all. But I don't know क्या scene होगा university में for me to talk, because like I might get crowd fright or something. I hate this chipku thing. Anyways, I think it doesn't look that bad with the accessories. I'm sorry. This is my bag. मेरी बहन ने इसका बहुत ज़्यादा मजाक उड़ाया है, but मुझे घर में जो चीज़ नजर आई है मैंने वो रख दिया है. There's like still 5 minutes in my class, but yeah, it's gonna be so awkward. I'm so excited. Low-key frightening to see so many people here. I have my copywriting class. I just hope I get a good seat. I was thinking to go for like a दीवार वाली seat so I can record and ज़्यादा लोगों की शक्लें नज़र ना आए because not everyone is okay with that. I don't have my connector, so it's gonna take me a lot of time to do editing in mic wali videos. And if the data gets corrupted, I'm just gonna give up and you guys will never get to see this. So yeah, I am sitting in my class right now. I need a tripod. We are waiting for the instructor. Let's see how things will unfold. I stayed back to talk to the camera in the class. सब जा चुके हैं. The class is empty. This is my laptop. And yeah, now my next class is 12 बजे and it's calculus. और yeah, I didn't do breakfast, so I'm gonna go to the cafe. बाकी कुछ पढ़ाया नहीं. It was mostly introduction and course outline की discussion. So yeah. Yes, bye. So I wanted to have a paratha. Breakfast menu खत्म हो गया. I was like, okay, I'll have the roti, and they're like, roti अभी बनी नहीं है. So I don't want to have a sandwich. नाश्ता घर में बना हुआ था और जल्दी में I just skipped it. They don't really have a lot of options as well. So like, let's see what I'm gonna have. There's a lot of students in this institute. मैंने जहाँ तक अंदाज़ा लगाया है. Late हो जाएगी बहन. Okay, I just want you to say hi.
Hi people, I'm Rimla's best friend and my name is Simna and I recently got this haircut and I'm loving this. Okay, bye.
Bye, she's running late and so am I. I have my mathematics ki class on 4th floor. This is science block and I'm taking the stairs. I took a break on 2nd floor and now I'm gonna go for my class. It's so awkward to like walk and talk like this. But since the class is empty, I can do it. But yeah, this is my work. I think my voice is gonna echo. In the middle of the lecture, I was like, kya ho raha hai? I think I'm gonna regret keeping mathematics. It will take a lot of effort and time to ace this.
Because इसमें functions हैं, differentiation, integration जो मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में नहीं की हुई. It's gonna be new, but I'm all ready for it.
So yeah, but the instructor is really nice and sweet. She was like, I'm available if you wanna come in my office as well. Hopefully I'll get my connector by tomorrow. तो फिर जो मुश्किलें आएंगी आज वो नहीं आएगी. Now I have my break till 3 PM. अभी 1 बजे. And then I have a class at 3 and another class at 4. So I'll see you guys.
I won't work under you. I won't work under a girl who's an FCB fan.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello.
I'm talking to my guys. I'm talking to the camera. I have to go back to S009 जहाँ पे there are like auditions Pride and Prejudice के हो रहे हैं. I hate the university here so much. I'm running late for my next class which is in E block. 3 बज चुके हैं. Hopefully I was loud and clear because it's hard to walk and talk. If you compare this with what I looked in the morning before leaving, मैं थक गई हूँ. There's a huge difference. Thermometer. This is like the most. Okay, this is awkward. Can you hear me? My hand hurts. And why is the camera blurry? I think you guys didn't hear me. This is how I look after 4 classes. Who said it would be a good idea to have 4 classes in a single day? We can talk loudly since this stupid thing won't work. I was so sleepy in the classroom. My instructor, जिनकी अभी 4 बजे class थी, he was like, go and drink some water, so आप जागो. And this is my spot where I usually make videos. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna have rice, बच्चे हुए सुबह के, because I feel hungry and I'm waiting for my friend to get free. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is gonna be a very, realistic channel. So you can see. I think I don't want to see you guys at home, so goodbye. I'm back home. I don't even know at this point if I'm gonna ever edit this video. It was good, but it was really tiring. Kal I have just 1 class, but I also have volunteered for this. I think I should talk about this tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I think I should make my bed, but it's okay. Don't look. I'll see you after I will get ready. Okay, this looks really bad. I'm sorry, I cannot help it. Light चले गई है. It takes me so much more time to do my accessories कि इतना time मुझे makeup में भी नहीं लगता. I cannot leave house with my eyes like this. I can actually. Yeah, I'll see you guys. I look ugly. I'll see you guys on the other side. This is where I have to go. Okay, so the ground is wet, so I don't want to sit. This is my outfit. I'm wearing Converse. This is bad. Why is it creating shadows on my face? So I have this open house thing that I have to go to. And my hair, they are bad. I have a class at 12:30, so I think I'm gonna see you guys at that time because I have to volunteer for the thing that I signed up for. Apparently, I don't know how do I look. Probably chopped. I've been criticizing myself a lot. I'm not like this usually, but it's just the phase I am in. So I'm going to the admissions office. Okay, so I'm going for my class now. What is wrong with my hair? Half of the data is gonna go to waste. I'm in my class right now and I'm waiting for the instructor to come. Please, music na baje. But this is gonna delay my speech. I just got free from the volunteer thing. This is like too close. Anyways. मैं इसको अपना बता रही हूँ पहले कि तू खुश तो बैठ इसमें खुशी की क्या बात मैंने बताई है ये इस बात कहने का मेरा मकसद क्या है किस बात का और ये क्या कह रही है she's looking at the brighter
बाहर के साथ That joke. Okay guys, day 2 is done as well. Am I shaking the phone too much? Can you guys even see a thing? I got back from the university. Yeah, this was like starting of junior year. I wouldn't call it like the first day. Yeah, it was fun, but I would want to have a connector. My sister's friend got these flowers. See how pretty they are. Today I just did mascara, and I just did mascara. It sounds so fancy because I call it mascara. I don't want to lie. Okay, this is that air freshener kind of thing. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much if you have watched it and you reached till here. I really want to do like weekly videos, but the editing takes me a lot of time. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for, I don't know. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Oh, I'm saying this after so long. I can put this as a thumbnail. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.